File, new, sequence. Okay,
Yes, sir.
then click OK. Now you can click here, file, new, and legacy title.
Okay.
Okay, file, new, legacy title. Now this one you can see, file, new, legacy title. Width and height is this, and time base is 29.97 frames per second, and title, voila, my first title. Okay, then click OK. Now one window will appear, okay, for title. So you can work here with your text. Okay, so like, see, this is type tool. Now there are different tools. If you like, you have done about Photoshop, so you can easily understand the things like T text tool. So if you click here, now you can type text, for example, like environment. Okay, this is, you can see, selection tool or move tool. So you can select the layer and you can move. Okay, this is a rotation tool, so you can rotate this. Okay, if you want. And if like you want to apply different styles to this text, so you can see here down, like you can apply different effects like this one, see this one, see this, 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 this. Like I want to apply, for example, this one or this one. Anyone you can apply. Okay,
Yes, sir.
after that you can change like opacity, exposition, font style, font size. Here different things like font size now is this one. So if you click like reduce from here, you can reduce like this as well, see. Okay, and like this one, now this is here, and you can also like reduce opacity, you can increase. This is X position, root, and Y position. Like if you change it, you can see it's changing horizontal and vertical position. Width of this text you can increase or like decrease. So, yeah. Control Z or Command Z you can use for, you know, for undo. Okay, rotation, see, when you rotate it, you can see it's also changing here. So you can do manually from here or from there. Then this is like font family, you can change. Okay, for this one, if you want, there are different fonts you can use. And you can see this is linear gradient, so you can apply like solid color as well. If you apply solid color, then you can change color from here. See, if you apply radial gradient, so you can apply gradient like this one. This color is, for example, this, or this is your own gradient, you know. See, or you can just click here, and then you know. And here different options, like you can more apply like shadow if you want to apply. These are the very simple options. So shadow color you can see like this one. Okay, opacity you can increase or reduce angle of shadow. See,
Can you put like white here so that you can see?
white also. See, can you see now? Okay. Distance you can increase or reduce. Size of shadow you can increase or reduce. Okay. Spread you can increase. Okay. Background if you want to apply like solid color. This background will apply. So once you are like done with this title, then what you can do, just close this one. Close. Okay.
Okay.
Now you can see the title is here. So like if you want to add in start of your work, you can add here like this. So yeah. If you double click, it will come back. Okay. Now see here more things. Like for example, if you create this one, see. Okay. So this one also, if you want, this is vertical type text. Okay.
So can you place title on these lines, in between these lines? Can it appear on the television when you want to play?
But this one is just a center like alignment.
Okay.
When you close this one, see it will not appear here lines. That is only for alignment.
Okay.
Like this is the center point.
Okay.
This is center. This is center.
So the end point for your title should be here. It should not.
Exactly.
It should not
It
exceed.
should not be.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is the title you can make. Okay. These are some basics and intermediate things which you can use in Adobe Premiere when you are creating a title. I hope you will try it.
Yes, I